Copy My Call is a very powerful search function. Let's say you remember having a conversation about a certain topic, you couldn't remember which day or what you named the file. If you could just remember one relevant word from that conversation, you can search for it. Like I know there's a conversation in here where there's the word majesty. So let's search for majesty. And it's searching all my files. It did find majesty. So it should in the transcript highlight exactly where the word majesty is. So very powerful search function. Let's do another one. Let's do, I went to a lecture and they talked about psilocybin. Okay, so it found 2 files with that word, so let's find out exactly where they mentioned it. And here it is. Psilocybin is there, and there are all the instances of where the lecturer mentioned the word psilocybin. So yeah, there you have it. A very, very powerful search function.